Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Dave's Kitchen. All right, if you watched my last video, you saw me make the Pinacolada freeze-dried bites. Well, this time, I'm gonna make some ice cream bars out of them. All right, so what are you gonna need? Well, I got this little kit right here from Amazon, okay? And basically it's a whole bunch of little bags. If you remember the freeze-sicle or popsicle pops that come in a little bag, that's basically what we're gonna make. So that way it's less messy. I've got the coconut flakes, I've got the coconut milk, I've got coconut cream, and I've got some cans of some crushed pineapple. Now remember, really important, pineapple in its own juice. All right, well let's get these babies together because we're gonna make some amazing ice cream bars. So we're gonna first start off with 2 cans of coconut milk, okay? I did go ahead and open up the can on it. Now it's kind of stuck there we go. And then we're gonna dump that into my Vitamix, okay? Then we're gonna put that off to the side there. I've also got 2 cans of coconut cream. We're gonna dump that in there. And remember, sometimes it's real thick, so you gotta kind of pop the cans off. Remember, just 2 cans of that. I'll finish that one off camera. And then we got the 1 can of crushed pineapple. We're gonna add that in there, okay? And then we're gonna go ahead and this time add a whole bag of coconut flakes. We're gonna blend it really, really well. Now I went ahead and transferred it into this large pitcher here. The kit comes with like a little funnel here. Personally, I think it might be a 2-man job, so let's see how this works. We're just gonna lightly pour it and see. And just remember, go slow. Because you wanna fill, they say no more than to the line. So you'll see that it's almost full, put off to the side. So that's almost full, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and close this up and then kind of put it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish filling up the rest of these tubes until this is completely empty. All right, well there you go. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product in one moment. Real quick trick. I end up using one of these little like condiment squeeze bottle, I guess you like for pancake batter, you put ketchup and mustard in there. I found that it was easier to load this up and then you fill the tube because you end up with these amazing tubes filled with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep filling them up. Justice. There they are. I ended up with 22 of them, okay? Now, the average weight, I did put them on a scale, was 4.2 ounces. So if you wanna make a whole bunch, just adjust your recipe accordingly. I also did put them in another Ziploc bag because I don't want them to spill in case they do, and I want to keep them organized. All right, off to the freezer they go. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoy.